guys, this is Cooking with Lori and welcome to my channel. I'm taking over this channel. Mimi's gone, she's not here. Goodbye. And this is my channel. Aren't you excited? So today we're gonna be making chicken Alfredo.
Hold on. Did you just come over to take over my channel?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Move. Anyway, like I was saying, we're gonna be making chicken Alfredo. I already have everything prepped.
Oh no, hold me back. You can't just come here and take over my channel.
Why not?
This is Cooking with Mimi, not Cooking with Lori.
No, Cooking with Lori, not Cooking with Mimi.
No, this is Cooking with Mimi, not Cooking with Lori.
No, you're confusing me. The other way around. Cooking with Lori.
Alright guys, she got everything all wrong. Welcome my little sister to my channel, Cooking with Mimi. She doesn't look so little to me, but she's my little big sister. Welcome to my channel. This is gonna be our first video together. I'm happy to introduce my little sister, Lori. And today we're making one of her favorite dishes, chicken Alfredo. Ready? Let's get started.
Finally.
Alright, so first I'm gonna start off by boiling my water for the fettuccine pasta. So while that's getting boiled, we're going to marinate the chicken. So here I have 4 chicken breasts sliced up, and I'm going to add a little bit of salt, about a pinch of salt. That's good. Ayy, Salt Bae. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Tell them what this is, Lord. Let them know.
So if you guys watch my sister's previous channel, go watch that and learn how to make Haitian ippies.
So we're going to add 1 tablespoon of that. Yes. Ooh. If you guys don't have ippies, it's fine. You could just add some minced garlic to substitute it, and then we're gonna give it a mix. Mix that for me, please. So here we have a frying pan already warming up. So I'm gonna add about 1 tablespoon of oil to that pan. And we're gonna let it warm up before she adds the chicken. And then we're going to add 1 sprig of thyme. And we're going to give it a stir. Okay guys, so while the chicken is cooking, we're going to get started on our Alfredo sauce. So here we have
salt, black peppercorn, and Italian seasoning, cheese,
1 cup of Parmesan cheese, 2 cups of heavy cream, half a cup of cream cheese, half a cup of butter, and 3 garlic cloves minced. So, would you like to start off, Lori?
Sure.
So first we're going to turn our heat on medium, and we're going to add the butter. Heavy cream. And cream cheese. And then we're going to take a whisk and start mixing it. So guys, you want to mix everything until it's well combined and nice and smooth. Okay guys, for the chicken, I drained out the excess liquid And just so you guys know, you can, if you don't want to use chicken, you can make it plain, or you can use shrimp. And if you're using shrimp, you can probably use a teaspoon of garlic, Italian seasoning, salt, black pepper, and cook it for about 4 to 6 minutes depending on the size of your shrimp. But this is almost finished. I'm trying to get golden browns on both sides. Okay, so I'm gonna let that do its thing. So over here, my sister has the Alfredo sauce is nice and creamy. So now she's going to add the garlic. Italian seasoning, about a teaspoon of that. A pinch of salt. And some coarse ground black pepper. About a teaspoon of that. And then we're going to stir it and combine everything well. And now that that's well combined, she's going to add the cheese. Ooh, look at all that cheese. And she's gonna stir it in well until smooth. So while she's doing that, I'm going to add my pasta into my pot, my boiling water. I'm using fettuccine pasta. And this is going to take about 4 to 6 minutes to cook, depending on the texture. Look at that. Look at that cheese, guys. Alright guys, so now that my pasta was finished, I drained it. I'm going to add the chicken right into the pasta and pour, I'm not going to pour the whole Alfredo sauce. I'm going to pour a little, probably half right now, to see how much I need to pour, because I could probably save the rest for more pasta. So we're going to pour it, Lori. Ooh. Right there. You want to mix that in? Wouldn't mind if I do. So we just mix everything in. And it's looking beautiful, guys. It's looking beautiful. And we'll be right back after it's plated.
Alright guys, this is the finished product. I'll give you a full 360 right here.
Alright guys, we're going to let her taste test this.
Oh my gosh, I don't even know where to start. Almost looks too good to eat. Almost. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my gosh. So, this whole thing is mine. I hope you know.
You can have it.
Yeah.
Alright guys, thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for joining me on my channel. I had so much fun with you. And let me know if you want to see a little bit more of my sister. And see you next time on Cooking with Mimi. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what to make next. And click that bell. Peace.